Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Designing email headers in Canva is a great way to create and visually appealing and professional looking headers for your newsletters or marketing emails. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you. First, open Canva, tap on Create and search for email headers. Tap on the 600 into 200 pixel. Then go to design and choose a template. Canva offers pre-designed email header templates, and you can just search for email header or email banner in the template library to save your time. Customize the template by changing colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Now the third step is you can add your elements, branding elements. You can upload your logo like this here, right here, and you can resize or position it to the left or right according to your brand recognition. You can add your brand colors or fonts. Here you can see there are two colors, a yellow and a green one. After that, you can add your elements, add your logos, and add your specific images. You can also add some links through the text. Previously, we have made a video on how to add hyperlinks or how to create hyperlinks in Canva. Make sure to watch that video to hyperlink your text. Here are some tips for email headers. Keep it simple, avoid clutter, and you can also design it in your mobile phone. Then you can use grids or you can use the transparency, and then after all of that you can go to share button and download it as a PNG, as it is also suggested by Canva. With Canva's drag and drop tools, you can easily create a polished email header that grabs attention and aligns with your business brand. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.